For all of you who were baptized into Christ, into a spiritual union with the Christ, the Anointed, have clothed yourselves with Christ, that is, you have taken on his characteristics and values. There is now no distinction in regard to salvation, neither Jew nor Greek. There is neither slave nor free. There is neither male nor female, for you who believe are all one in Christ Jesus. No one can claim a spiritual superiority. And now that you belong to Christ, you are the true children of Abraham. You are his heirs, and God's promise to Abraham belongs to you.